Download SmartThinQ app from Play Store. This is the app that you have to download. Now open SmartThinQ app. This is the first screen. Press OK. It will ask for permission. Login through Google or Facebook. Select customer Gmail ID. Press plus button to register the product. Press OK. Select the product which you want to register. Now this is asking what type of machine you are having. If it is a dial type or touch type. As we are having dial type machine, so we will select yes here. Does your washer have LED time display? As you can see, we have LED display, so we'll select yes. Now it is asking to turn on the location. To use SmartThinQ app, location should be on. So make sure the location in the mobile phone is on. Now you have to turn on the front load washing machine and switch on the Wi-Fi on the washing machine. So now we are switching on the washing machine from the start button, and as you can see here it is written Wi-Fi and this is the symbol for Wi-Fi. So we will press for 3 seconds to switch on Wi-Fi. As you can see, Wi-Fi is now switched on. Now this is very crucial step for using SmartThinQ app. Your mobile phone and your washing machine should be in the same Wi-Fi. Mobile data will not work. So now we have to input the password of the Wi-Fi which is in your mobile phone, and also now this is we are inputting for washing machine. So as you can see, now your mobile phone and washing machine is getting paired. So it is connecting with your machine now. After successful registration, it will download the product information, and now you can see your product is registered in SmartThinQ app. As you can see, it is showing the machine is in standby, and here also you can see machine is in standby. To start the operation, it is showing turn on remote start to start the cycle. So as you can see here, it is showing remote start. So we will activate remote start from here. You can see remote start has started. You can see the timer is now being shown in SmartThinQ app. If I press this play button, as you can see, the machine is now sensing the load. The machine is in now cotton cycle. After sensing the load, you can see the time also. So 1 hour 18 minutes is left for this cycle to, and same is also displayed on washing machine. For more feature, click on your product. You can see you can pause also from here, turn off. Okay. So now as you can see, the machine is paused. You can resume again and it will start its operation again. From here you can select different modes. You can also switch off your washing machine from this button. As you can see, the machine is now switched off. If you want to switch on, press again. Now the machine is switched on. So this is the SmartThinkQ app from which you can operate your washing machine if you are using the same Wi-Fi in your mobile phone and for your washing machine.